What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 202. Let's look at some really cool projects you guys have been building. First up, we have Geo's 3D platformer. We have to escape the Sky Temple. Was to move? Let's check it out. Woo! Okay. I like that movement scheme. Okay. Now we gotta jump. Ooh, that sound effect is really cool. All right, there we go. Pro gamer strats here. The only thing that I don't think I like, first off, the normal map you put on the ground is awesome because we've got some really cool shadows here. The only thing it's kind of bugging me, and it's totally understandable because we don't show you how to do this in any way, is when I'm in the air, I am locked on a trajectory. So when I jump, I can't back up, I can't slow down. Once I'm going in the air, I'm going. Oh boy, I'm assuming red hurts me? Yep, red hurts me. So I really like that fact that Geo taught me right away exactly what will hurt me in the game and reset my progress instantly. So nice, Geo, great job. All right, here we have SahilN's Orange Belt project. So this is color bump. So first off, check out that ground texture. That is awesome. I'm really liking that. All right, so I'm assuming we avoid the red guys because red always means bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this blue guy. What? Oh, that was cool. Oh, that one blue just became a bunch of blues. All right, now I gotta get to the finish line. All right, let's. Oh, it's like that in every level. Oh, that's so cool. So first off, I like that you delineated, you changed the levels, you denoted what level you were on with the changing of the color of the ground, which is so cool. And the number of balls that you're able to actually use to push yourself through the enemies is different on each level, which makes the levels more difficult without making them impossible. Too many games are just impossible to play. They're not hard if you can't beat it. They're just not fun. Awesome job, Sahil. PravinR has the gamer's dream. This looks really cool. So I want to just call out title, Favicon. Awesome job, Pravin. So many websites, it just says Replit up here, or it has just the Replit icon. Awesome job on this one. And you uploaded it to Netlify. You're already a pro developer. So let's check this out. Ooh, can I go to PS4? Ooh, okay. I want to buy a PS4. Let's not buy a PS4 because we've got PS5 coming out in like a month and a half, maybe just less than a month. Really cool. This image is a little squished. It's a little smooshed. It's a little. You change the width and the height. Change one or the other. Never change both. But if you needed to edit this image to make it smaller, check out the new brown belt. We show you how to edit images in that one, which is right after the blog, Pravin, which you're super close to finishing. The website feels so good. I don't know why. It feels nice. Awesome job. And that's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Go out there, build amazing stuff, submit to the competition, which we haven't actually announced yet, or maybe we have if you're watching this in the future. I don't know your life, don't judge me. And check out the Hacker Box. Huge shout out to everybody who's in the Hacker Box, talking to each other, helping each other with questions and whatnot. Awesome job, everybody. Bye.